Good morning students. Today we will start another lesson of CBSC class 9 syllabus, and this is Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. Before starting our lesson, we would know something about the writer Oscar Wilde. Who is Oscar Wilde? Oscar Wilde was an Irish poet and playwright. After writing in different forms throughout the 1880s, he became one of the most popular playwrights in London in the early 1890s. He is the best remembered for his epigrams and plays. He is one of the most important famous novel, The Picture of Dorian Gray, and his criminal conviction for gross indecency for homosexual acts. He was an Irish poet and playwright. After writing in different forms throughout the 1880s, he became one of the most popular playwrights in London. Who was Oscar Wilde? He was one of the most popular playwrights in London in the early 1890s. That means 19th century. Okay? And one of his most important, most famous novel, what it is? The Picture of Dorian Gray. So today we will start our lesson, The Happy Prince, which is written by Oscar Wilde, and it's a prose. What is there in this story? The name of the prose is The Happy Prince. That means a prince who was very happy. And here the author who has told about a prince who was very happy, but after his death a monument, a statue of the prince, of the happy prince, was made in the city, and from there the statue of the happy prince, that means the happy prince was able to see the miseries and the sorrows of the people of the whole country, of the people of his country, and he felt very sorry for those people, for those poor people. Okay, and that's why he was very sorrowful. But one thing we have to remember, that when he was the prince, he was not sorry, he was not sorrowful about he was not bothered about the sorrows and the miseries of the people of his country. But after his death, when his statue was made in the middle of the city, then he was able to see the miseries and the sorrows of the people, especially the poor people. Okay, and he felt very sorry for them. One day a